Hello everyone, we got a 69 Resto modded F100 here. My name is Mackenzie with Lafontaine Classics. This is a new arrival. We're gonna get you familiar with the exterior. We're gonna pop the hood, we're gonna go inside, take a deep dive, and also go for a spin. This thing's got a Gen 3 Coyote that's direct injected, a 10R80 automatic. That's a 10-speed automatic transmission. This truck might go 200 miles an hour. Excited to show you around it, and I'm really excited to see what it could do. Kicking it off up front, thing's got a nice farm truck look to it. White painted bumper, white painted grill. It's all pretty damn straight. Bumper looks awesome. The grill, of course, it's got a couple chips, a couple scratches. It's not smashed up. I dig it. The hood does have a little ding in here. Paint with a nice wheel. Looks sweet. Look at the way that shines. We got some new looking Ford lettering here up on front of our 69. Hood release just in here. We'll pull that towards us. That's opening really easy. We've got a set of billet hood hinges in here with the little gas strut. And of course, this beautiful Coyote motor. This is your late model Mustang engine. It's direct injected. It does surprisingly well on MPG, and it's really damn fast and sounds really good. We got a nice JLT intake on here. We got a Wilwood master cylinder with a power booster. We also have power steering and one nice upgrade. Well, a lot of nice upgrades. Down here, you can see a brand new AC compressor. She's got air. And we also have a nice big aluminum radiator, our AC condenser in front of that. Got a overflow tank here for our power steering. So we got our power steering reservoir there, fuel pressure regulator on the inner fender. No rust, she's from Arizona. Look how clean all these spot welds are. Seals up good. This thing's riding on full QA1 suspension on all four corners. It's got QA1's tubular cradle. It's got QA1's tubular control arms. We've also got a set of Wilwood disc brakes, and those are on all four corners as well. We're riding on a set of brand new 20-inch Rocket Racing wheels wrapped in some fresh rubber. It's a 275 35/20 up front. We got a little bit more meat out back. Continuing down the body, gaps are relatively good. Of course, there is a bump or bruise. That's authentic wear and tear. We all got a scar. Don't make us any less good. Out back, I see a whole lot more dish. I see some more Wilwood disc brakes, and this time a 305 35R20. Sweet looking tailgate. I love the authentic wear and tear once more. You'll hear me say that a lot throughout this. Original bed floor, original bed sides, mostly original wheel tubs. If you look at it, someone has welded in a 2-inch strap, therefore tubbing this truck to fit all that extra tire from Fat Fender Garage. We have a billet fuel door, which leads to our fuel tank, which is a fabricated aluminum piece. I believe it's 18 gallons, and has a nice Billet Specialties aluminum cap on there. They've taken the fuel tank out from behind the seat, put it out behind the axle. We gain a ton of room inside for our legs, and we get way better weight distribution trying to put this power to the ground. All good things. These lights have been upgraded. We got LED lamps behind there, and it's got nice new lenses on it. The rear glass is a new piece, has a fresh seal in there. Door gaps are good. Again, there's some minor scratches. It looks like a new antenna in here. Windshield and seal is all new, as are those stainless wipers. Oh boy, look at this. The doors fit awesome. This is a really cool touch. Door jambs, door cards, even the dash has been resprayed in the original color. You would not expect to see this in here. Billet tilt column, billet steering wheel, leather wrap to match this beautiful bench seat. We got a fold down armrest here, or a third seat. And this truck is upgraded with some retractable shoulder belts. Another thing I'm seeing behind the seat too is some pretty tricked out sounds wrapped in the matching leather. I like that. Looking through this nice billet wheel, we've got Dakota Digital's gauge pack in here. Looking sweet, working good too. You need the new gauges to make all those new engine sensors communicate. Looks great, works awesome. Retro sound head unit, vintage air AC controls, clean under dash unit. We've got tweeters in the dash. These are even leather wrapped. We also have some more speakers down at our kick panels too. Square weave carpet looks great. We've got the accelerator pedal out of the Mustang. Holy cow. Well, that's all the way in cold. Compressor's running. Air is nice and cool. Heck yeah. And instead of like position switches, it's just a variable speed controller on here. It's cool. I lost count in a hurry on what gear we're even in. We're in 6th gear right now, according to our indicator wired into this Dakota digital. Now in 4, 3, 2, and a 1. This 10 speed is impressive, and you don't even feel it shift. Very fascinated by that. Other things to note, super comfortable. Great seating position, steering wheel's a good size. I think I mentioned earlier it is a tilt column. Not only was the seat recovered, all the foam's fresh and new. You can tell just by sitting in here. It even has a power adjustable lumbar, which is crazy. Power brakes feel awesome. All these gauges are working. Step on it here. I'm taming a freaking bull, man. Very fun, very sorted, very exciting truck, and it's so easy on the eyes. I truly think you could drive this to California and back if you wanted to. One of the beautiful things about these modern drivetrains, parts are so easy to get, and you could pull this into the local Ford dealer and have them plug in and make it all happy. God forbid you ever have an issue. If you want to see the full listing with all the pictures, get you up underneath this truck, close-ups all the way around it. It's so beautiful. See the parts build list, whatever it is. Check the link in the description of this video. That will take you to our website where we have that full listing for you. Lastly, while you're down there clicking, like this video if you enjoyed, share it with your pals who may look good in a truck like this. Hit that red subscribe button, it means a whole bunch to us. Call us if you want to know more. It's 248-714-2110, and our email is inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Great ways to hit us. You can also hit us on our socials too. You can find those downstairs also.